Hi, my name is Mrs. Gamage. Welcome to Bret Harte Middle School's African American History Month program. Today's theme is Historical Black Colleges and Universities, Liberation through Education. Liberation through education simply means gain your freedom by educating yourself. Before African Americans had equal rights, they had the Black Network. Have you heard of the BIN? Right, that's the current Black Information Network. If you wanted an education, you had to go to a historical Black college or university. We're going to learn a little bit more about these institutions today. Without further ado, I invite you to flip through the book, watch the videos, and do the activities as you enjoy today's program. Thank you very much.